Hello and welcome to this third video about the room setup. Now we will cover the air condition SGI parameters and model check over here. In other videos we covered the impulse response lengths and the number of laser rays in the first video, the general settings, and then in the second video we covered the specialist settings. But now let's go to the other tab here. So we generally have three options here. We have the background noise, and then we have the air condition, and then we have the model check. Real quick, the model check is what is accepted, how much warp is accepted, and how much wall overlap is accepted in a model. Then we have the noise levels up here. You can either just set in the noise level either if you know it, or if you have an idea about what the background noise level should be. This is important if you make SGI calculations, because if you don't apply any noise, the SGI will be too high. So you can either just set in values, or you can choose an NC curve down here. You have these to choose from, and then you can add or subtract some levels. So remember always to add some background noise to your simulations, because when you have measurements, then you should also add them, but also for simulations, it's really important that you add these background noise level if you are calculating SGI. Then you have the air conditions down here, and for many cases this is just quite standard, 50% humidity and 20 degrees Celsius, be aware it's Celsius. But if you're in a very humid place, a very warm place, or have a room that has a high temperature and a low humidity or high humidity, then you can change these and it will change the calculations. You can also simply disable air absorption, so it will remove all this, because this is about the air absorption, how the air absorption is calculated. You can disable it, and but for most cases I would really encourage you to leave it on, unless you have a good reason to take it off, because for many rooms air absorption for high frequencies is one of the major absorptions. So to disable it will really change the calculations in an unrealistic way. Yeah. So that's all I'm gonna say for this window. For many cases you don't need to think about it. If you do make SGI measurements, make sure to have your background noise. If you are in extreme cases or extreme places with high temperature, low temperature or humidity, then please change that. Thanks for listening.